Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo and I've been naughty. I've been picking up some things for our new home. So today I'm sharing a decor haul. So I have some explaining to do. I've been getting rid of everything. And there's going to be a few new changes in the new house. I'm going to do an update on that soon because our timeline has been bumped up. Found out yesterday. Things are going amazing, but there are a few areas that we need some larger items, and if I can find them now and not have to rush around and look for them there, I'm picking them up. So the first thing is a rug. I actually went back to Costco. I just shared a Costco shop with you guys, and I headed back for this rug. So I'm going to show it to you, and then we'll head inside and I'll show you all of the new treasures I'm picking up for our new home. So this is a huge 7 by 10 rug, an area rug. I love that it's neutral. It's not a shag rug. I am totally over anything with shag. And it's by Nautica. So Costco has it right now. It's $125. So I was totally smitten with it when I was there filming the shop with me and actually headed back to get it. If you can see, it's got lots of cream. I love the texture, and my daughter calls this my Lion King rug. So now let's go inside. I'll show you all the decor. So I've actually been picking up some things for our home, and I found a lot of great prices on things and lots of clearance items. Target's been doing some great clearance, just things I cannot pass up for our new home. So I've got stuff from all over, from TJ Maxx, Target, IKEA, Ross, Burlington Coat Factory, Big Lots, pretty much even Amazon and thrift store items. So let's get right into what I'm picking up for our new home. So we'll start out with some of the Target clearance bedding I've been finding. I picked up a boatload of new white towels on clearance also, and they were only like $1.92 a piece. So when we move to the new house, we are going to be eventually upsizing in our master to a king size bed. I have always eyeballed this, it's a quilt from Threshold. Now this one was not on clearance, but I had a bunch of gift cards for my birthday and stuff, so I was excited to use them. I love it because it's sort of an ivory, it's got some texture in it, some little specks. And so I picked that up, and then I went online and they actually had the shams on clearance, and this is a Euro sham. I picked up 3 of them for the back of the bed. So this one is a king size, and then I got the 3 Euro shams. And then I found this guy on clearance, and it is also by Threshold and a king, sort of a medallion style coverlet, and they coordinate really well. So I was envisioning using them together. This was only $26, and I couldn't pass it up. I brought it home and I was so glad that they go so well together. So I'm looking forward to doing that. It'll be a video in the new house. And then I found these on clearance with all of the towels they picked up. They're just really simple runners. They did not have any sort of tag on them. So they were on the clearance aisle back in the kitchen section, and they had 2. They're just really lightweight. They're even kind of transparent, but I did pick up 2 and they gave them to me for $2 a piece, so couldn't pass that up. And I picked up something from the Pillow Fort selection that they are clearancing out some of their items and then just sort of bringing in new ones. So this is just for a twin bed. This one is the sham, and I believe this was all of $5. The quilt that went with it was only 10 or 11, so that'll definitely come in use in the new house. And I was really excited because those are such good prices, and we have some fresh bedding for our new home. Now for some new decorative accents. Let me show you guys the last few Target clearance finds. I found the Threshold terracotta wax warmer on clearance. It was like $4.50. So excited. And then I got a couple of lamps on clearance. This one was actually $7.50. It's very basic, just black. I really like that. It will go pretty much anywhere in the new house. and then this one for $13.50 that's quite a bit taller. So I'll have to find shades once we move, but I know with a bigger house we're gonna need more lighting. And then 2 thrifted finds. So stopped into the thrift store with my daughter and I found a couple of things I just couldn't leave. This was priced at $3.99. Now I don't know if it was part of something else in its past life, but I love it and I intend on using it as a tea light holder, maybe on a coffee table, maybe inside of a wreath, I don't know. So if you have any ideas, let me know. I just thought it was really cool and different. So these are just little pedestals for tea lights, and I found this. Now it's not bad, but I do want to change it up a little bit. Definitely back into the pottery. I was into this look, oh, I don't know, 20 years ago when we first got married. So couldn't pass it up. I thought it was in good shape. I love the handles on it, and it was only $2.99. And then, speaking of my old style of decor, I was really into IKEA when we first got married, and I had a much larger version of this dish, I don't know, like 20 years ago. And I used a lot of browns and reds and oranges and wood tones in our home decor. So I picked this one up when I was there recently. You guys know I just took you guys there for a shop with me. And I also found this, and it is just a pillow cover they had on clearance for $3.99. I also picked up 3 of their king size Euro shams. Let me grab one to show you. So once I found the king size bedding, I shopped around for some Euro shams. These are actually like a down or a faux down. I really like them. They had some on display and they're really full. So it is a 26 by 26 inch square. These were only $10 a piece. That is the absolute best price I have seen. So I did get 3 of those as well. So I did get a few large pieces, and I actually ended up with 2 items. I got them in pairs. So these wood decorative, I don't know, wall decor came from Big Lots. Now they were on clearance for $11.99 a piece, and I thought that was a good price. Just really like them, and they do have an area in the back where you can unscrew the metal, so I think I might even be able to take a piece out of it and maybe spray paint it black, so then I have some black and white and wood working together. I really just loved them, and they were originally priced $11.99 on clearance. When they rung them up at the register, they were only $5.49, so I'm really glad I picked these up. And I'm envisioning maybe using these above our kitchen cabinets, not sure yet, but I couldn't leave them behind. And I found these at Burlington on clearance. So those are red stickers up at the top. They were $9.99 a piece. They only had 2. I do wish they had 3. I'm not gonna leave them white, but they're just such a good size. I love the detail in them, and I have a plan I'm hatching for them. I've seen things at Hobby Lobby like this for a whole lot more money, and what I'm thinking of doing is painting the frames of them black. Then I want to do like a faux wood look on the cutout design part. So that'll be probably a video I share with you guys in the future. I love them. Not sure where I'm going to use them, but I couldn't leave them there for $9.99. It's fun to have decor in my house because, as you can tell with the packing, it's pretty empty around here. So I was recently in Ross and I came across a few things I just couldn't pass up. Picked up 2 packs of these. It's a 5 count for $6.99, and I just love that they're really absorbent. I don't like a dish towel that's like microfiber. And then I found these. So this was a 3-pack. I already have one in my daughter's room as sort of a jewelry catch. Love them. And the pair, or I should say the set, because it's 3-pack, was $5.99. So I intend on using these on my husband and my bedside tables at the new house. I've already used one in my daughter's on her dresser, and I got a tray. So this is not a tier tray, it's just a flat tray, wood with some metal handle detail there, and I just couldn't pass it up. It was $11.99, so just such a good price. I hemmed and hawed because I've been trying to not pick up much, but I can think of a million ways to use this in the new house. And this is another big item that I hemmed and hawed about, but again, I could not pass up this price. So I'm envisioning this like above our kitchen cabinets, maybe with a plant in it, maybe not sure. Love the color and the texture. It's a good size, if you can tell. I'll give you guys some perspective with my hand. Guess how much it was? I thought for sure it would be like $15 at least. It was $11.99, so I just couldn't pass that price up on either of these two items. And the last couple of items, so I saw this on Amazon. It popped up and I kept looking at it and decided to go ahead and get it. It's really lightweight, like a balsa wood. I just think it's different, it's cool. It was only 10 bucks. I love rocking horses, so I picked that up. And then I was at TJ Maxx and I had eyeballed this before Easter and I wasn't about to pay full price for it, but it really will look nice with what I want to do next year for Easter, so I'm thinking that far ahead. And it was on clearance for 12 bucks, so I just could not leave it there. I don't know if you guys are like me. Even in the middle of a move, I'm buying home decor. So as you can tell, our house is extremely empty with the move so close right now. So just wanted to hop on and share those new treasures for our new home in Texas. Now I can box them all up and get ready for the big move. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.